Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to do an unboxing, well, an unpackaging of an item that I have in my possession. And also, what did I get? And it's obviously, it's from a place called TeePublic. So enough chit chat, let's open it up and see what's inside. Like, right now. Alrighty, this particular one is for the Joker. And in case this design you've never seen, this particular one is going to be the one for the Joker that stars Joaquin Phoenix as Arthur Flake, aka the Joker. Yeah, that's how it is. He's laughing. Ha 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 ha. So yeah, folks. So I'm gonna be wearing this for the Joker, and I'm gonna probably wear this for a different Comic-Con pretty soon. And yeah. So this is from TeePublic. This is classic tea, charcoal, I believe, black charcoal, and it's amazing. Alrighty, on to the next one. And this one, folks, is TERRIFIER. That's right. Does anybody know about the font and the design and the look and the appearances, what this looks like? I'll give you a hint. Since this is now 2024, and what movie came out 40 years ago in 1984? The Terminator. Now, folks, compare that to this. Do you see a resemblance? Because I sure as hell do. Because, hello, if you heard me talk about Terrifier 2, it is the Terminator 2 of horror sequels. The Terminator 2 of sequels, maybe. But if you can compare Art the Clown and the T-800, Terminator, that is, you do see a little bit of resemblance, in a way. And is anybody a fan of Terminator? Let me know in the comments. And has anybody ever seen the first Terrifier movie? Let me know, as well as its sequel. And anybody excited for the third installment? I've been hearing some crazy cool stuff about it. I know I'm going to see it too. So yeah. I'm going to be seeing that with my entourage. And I'm going to be seeing... So yeah, next month, October, it will be the third installment. And I can't wait for the fourth one. But also... Nightmare Weekend is going to be happening the week after the release of T3, of Terrifier 3, that is. And I'm going to be meeting some of the cast and crew there. So I already got separate autographs. I just want to get Damien Leone's, whatchamacallit, to have him sign the poster of the movie along with David Howard Thornton. So that actress, Lauren Lavera, who plays Sienna. And then the brother, played by Elliot Furman, if I said his name right. I probably butchered it. Then the crazy little girl you see in the sequel. So yeah. And I am going to tell both Damien Leone and David Howard Thornton about the Terminator movies. And I'm going to tell them they're the Arnold Schwarzenegger and James Cameron of horror films. That's what I'm going to say. So yeah, tell me what you guys think. Alright, anybody excited for the Joker sequel? Let me know as well. So yeah, these are the two shirts I got for a good deal. And best of all, I'm going to be wearing this for the Joker 2 and Terrifier 3. And I'm also going to be wearing this shirt for the convention. So for Nightmare Weekend. And also, folks, if you like content like this or other content, please click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified about new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate thumbs ups. Have any opinion related to this said content? Comments down below. Also, I'm in the YouTube community. I often post what time I post videos at a certain time, whether it be the early evening hours or the early afternoon hours. One of those times. And also, if I leave links for pre-order products or from either Kickstarter or Indiegogo, go for that. It's your choice. To let everybody know about what's going on. And also keep updates and stuff. And what else? Plus, let's give a shout out to the collectors out there, to the physical media collectors, the toy collectors, autograph collectors, and all you collectors out there. Shouts to you all collectors. And also, let's give a shout to my subscribers. You know who you are. Shouts to you as well. So, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all, take care. God bless you. Hear you and see you on the next vid. Enjoy the weekend, y'all, and later.